Supsies guys, it's your boy Zacoi. I went Snowy, and we're gonna be running the Sandstorm and Boomie comp. This is a little oldie, a little throwback for you guys. If you remember this
Pretty
comp.
sure it's Boomie Sandstorm.
Huh?
I think it's Boomie Sandstorm.
I think they know who's who.
No, I don't want to kiss you.
And I'm cutting that part out. We're back. We got Anti-Jedi and White Town. Alright, let's try to hit some shit for the boys.
My 0 to death if I want to, I don't know what I'm feeling like.
Not bad, a little first little 2-piece.
Scythe is broken. Oh, my bad, that's you.
Yeah, that was me. Yeah, I'll get spear.
Let's go.
So we can see how this is in full effect. Oh, you took that from me?
Let's be honest.
Nah, yeah, you should have tanked that.
It hits 2 people.
Huh?
It hits 2 people at once.
Nah, but like the trajectory, if you hit first.
Oh yeah, the trajectory of the trajectory.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me gimp him right quick.
Oh,
He's dead. I'm gonna get. Yeah.
that was a nice weapon.
Throw him back at me.
All right, I'll throw it back to you. Right here.
Yo, you gotta.
Nice. That was good. That was actually good.
Nah, you gotta like.
Oh.
Come on, bro.
Don't worry, I got him. Nah, where you going, bro? I'm dead. Teammate diff. Did you die?
Yeah, I did.
What was that? Like, why?
I was trying so hard to help you. Like the thing I do for you, I'll kill myself for you. I guess you could say it's love. What'd you say? You're whispering a lot of stuff.
Said. No, I'm talking about mine. Yeah. I'm gonna die on orange. He read it. I'm actually insane.
Oh, I'm dirty on it.
Dude, this weapon is so insane. Ah!
That was me. I need help. I survived.
It's hammer, bro. We done for.
Holy!
Oh, I hit the answer.
You hit the answer. Yay!
Let's go.
Let's go! Hello. Again, we got the same people, guys, and we're back.
We got Yoda and White Town.
Who?
Ah, Yoda.
Oh, he's an anti-Jedi.
Yoda, these nuts.
That was good, not good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Awaken.
I've been cooking some up in the lab.
No. Uncook it. It's still raw.
No, like I've been cooking some scythe combos.
It's still raw, man.
Okay, he's supposed to get hit by that.
I've actually also been cooking up in the lab. I'm ready, bro.
Yo, I killed myself trying to gimp him.
Oh!
What was that?
I don't even know what happened, but that shit made me hard.
Why?
What? Why what? Why what?
What? Like, why did it make you?
What? I said that shit was hard.
Oh. So you gotta speak up.
Okay, I'll speak up. Don't worry, I got you. Oh, my bad, bro. My feet just touched your head. I don't know, I said that weird, like I'm actually, that was weird.
Yeah, that was actually really
Oh
weird.
my god. Hit you from the back, my bad. Yo, come on, right here. Ready?
Got killed? No.
Got Ooh. Come on.
Yo, you're good.
Really?
Am I good?
You're good too.
Thank you. I just have my own type of good.
Yeah, you're like special ed type of good.
What does that mean?
Like you're special to me.
Oh, let's say that next time.
And did.
Throw him to me?
I'll take him from here, boss. I'll take him from here, boss. Don't worry. Oh, is this my guy? Sorry that you came this far. Hey, come up. Get up here.
Yo, let's do it. You know the combo? Yeah, I know the combo. Alright, let's do
Yeah,
it.
I know the combo. Wait, let's do it. Broken.
You know the combo,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, I know the combo. Ah!
I read you so well.
I read you so hard.
Well, I said well.
Why am I so hard?
Yo! Yo, are you good?
What? Why'd you switch up like that? At least cider him, man.
I can't hit true combos, you know me.
I dare you to kill him with the side light. I'm just kidding. You're gonna die right here, I promise.
Ooh.
Talking to him.
Had to carry you there. Legacy DBZ Drip. I think I know Legacy. He's the guy who comes in the chat, right?
Listen, buddy. I can't even read.
I know you can't. What does his name say?
I don't know. I don't even know where to start.
Yo, Wushang on me, Wushang.
Dude, Wushang looks like the guy from Breaking Bad.
Ooh.
Daryl. Where is it, Rick?
Are you good?
I thought I was dead. My bad.
Keep moaning like that, you're gonna get me in trouble.
I wish you were in trouble. My little bad boy. Come on, bro. I'm doing all the work. Let's do it.
Holy.
Oh, shit. That's not good. He's not good. Dodge. 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 Dodge.
I'm so bad.
Dodge. Oh, he read that.
Is that one already? What
Yeah.
have you been doing to him?
Put my little work on him.
Yo.
That was good. That was good. Yo, this thing's actually insanity. Got this. Bang.
Holy, you're like Sandstorm.
Yeah, you're kind of like Boomie a little bit.
Really? Yo, that's the wrong person, man.
Oh, you want me to combo him? I guess I'll do it. Bro, I can't. Bro, I carried on the combo and you didn't even like innovate.
I didn't think you would carry on if
You were just renovating. Come on. Yo, don't. Yo,
Sorry.
it was a combo starter. What are you doing? And let him back.
No, but we're gonna just kill him because he's at like 2 stocks. You can do it
I'm
again,
gonna kill you,
bro.
I'm gonna kill you. And lay him back.
We can just do it again. Yo, stop. This is what Sandstorm does to Boomie. Yo, stop, bro. Hey, pass him to me.
Wrong way. Shut up. Come, bro.
Yeah,
I got this. I got this. I got this. We can do this combo.
Wow.
Let's go.
Why would you even think about doing it that way? Nah. Nah, you're getting timeout. Come here. Yeah.
I have two stocks. I have two stocks. I have two stocks. Let's go. Let's go again.
Nah, come back.
Let me get safe. It's not fair.
That's not even sight.
Same thing.
That's not fair.
What's not fair? What's not fair?
That's not fair.
What if I lose this?
Yo, you better win this. This is intense. The battle of the great. Will Snowy win this? Or will he lose to the Wushang? Snowy with the weapon throw. Looking for the recovery, he found it. He'll be picking up the scythe here. Throwing out a bunch of attacks. He finally gets the sidelight.
Go!
Why'd you say let's go? The game's not over.
You're delayed. You're delayed.
Oh.
I can make a video 20 minutes right now.
Yo, chill. Kill him!
20-minute video.
And he found the kill. Nice. Oh, that's actually kind of good.
Nice. The damage difference is kind of weird.
I mean, the damage difference was kind of weird last game too for you. But we're not gonna talk about it. Anyways.
Yeah, we're not gonna talk about it, guys. Sup to Snowy. That's the end of the video.
No, that's not the end of the video.
That's the end of it. Sup to Snowy. That's it, guys. Bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter, and follow Snowy on Twitter. And goodbye. I love you all. Kiss them. Now me. Wait, first let me stop the recording and then you.